It's been a very busy month for me, Alison Pello, and the People Vision team. We've been supporting our new and existing clients on a variety of events, all aligned to help you and your teams return to the workplace. So we've had a variety of things like webinars and LinkedIn live streams. Well, I tell you, that is a technological eye-opener. The subjects that we've covered have been mental health topics such as depression, mental health audits and mindfulness. Then for our HR colleagues, we've helped them with topics such as hybrid working or returning to work surveys. We also delivered a session on how employers can approach COVID testing effectively. We've looked at it from a personal development angle also. As an example, we ran a webinar on how to engage introverts in returning to the workplace. We've kept all the session recordings and materials, so if you want to have a look back, please click on the link on PVHR.com, that's PVHR.com, and check out the Back to Business Toolkit. We welcome ideas from you on any other subjects, and we would value your input to know what you think we should do. You might even want to be a speaker. Finally, I'm delighted to announce that as a result of the success of these sessions, we're going to be setting up a by invitation only VIP group so that we can host more intimate group discussions on the topics of your choice. But for now, thank you so much to all of you who have shared the links or have attended or have interacted on our sessions so far. We appreciate all your support. Have a great month. Bye-bye.